Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing aesthetic medicine in Bangalore from the last 18 years. One of the most commonly done procedure at a dermatologist clinic is microdermabrasion. In this treatment, we use a microdermabrator which uses aluminum crystal under vacuum to remove the outer layer of the skin very gently so that you reveal the underlying fresh, young, new skin layer and stimulate a new skin formation. It also increases blood flow to the skin, so the skin looks more plump, more hydrated, and the texture of the skin looks more smooth. Blackheads and whiteheads are removed as well in this exfoliation treatment. So it is a medical treatment. It has to be done under a dermatologist's supervision. When it comes to the microdermabrasion kits which are used at home, these are usually some crystals which are available, which you have to rub on your face and exfoliate with this and then wash off the face. The problem with the kits is that we do not know at what pressure you are going to exert to apply on the skin, which could physically scrape the upper layer of the skin and cause a lot of irritation and stripe-like marks on the face. So microdermabrasion is an entry-level treatment which is available at most dermatology clinics. And it is something which is very safe because it targets only the outer layer of the epidermis. The results are immediate and they last for up to a month. So if you have dull looking skin or if you have a lot of acne or open pores which you would like to treat, this is something that you can try. Absolutely safe and almost no side effects when done with a supervised dermatologist treatment.